welcome back to Recipes Mania. Today, Crystal is doing a recipe.
I'm calling it Ice Cream Summer Blast, and we have been waiting to do this recipe, I swear, since the middle of May.
Yeah, you've been waiting a long time.
Stuff just keeps getting in the way.
Yeah.
First it was Northport's Got Talent. I had to practice, and Renee could tell you every time she would text, I would text back, practicing, can't talk.
Yeah.
And by the way, got second place.
Yep, that was awesome.
Anyway, so like I said, we're doing a recipe called Ice Cream Summer Blast. So let's get started. Ready, Renee?
Yep, I'm ready. I've got ice in the blender. What should we do next?
Okay, now we've got the 3 ice cream cups.
Yep, we have these Bluebell homemade vanilla ice cream cups. Should we put all of those in the blender?
Yep, they are my favorite, let me tell you.
Ice cream is in.
Now, here's something I bet you guys weren't expecting. I have a food processor, so I took 1 sleeve of chocolate graham crackers, and we kind of food processed them, so in they go.
Yep, we've got a nice graham cracker powder here. Should we add that in?
Yep.
Alright, looks good.
Now, milk.
Milk. How much milk?
Half glass. First put it in the Snoopy glass.
That's good right there.
Yep.
That might be a little bit too much.
I don't think so.
Okay, no, you're right, that looks good.
Now, Renee, can you guess what the next ingredient is?
Bananas?
Yep.
Alright, we've got 2 bananas right here. Let's get those in. One. And 2. Alright, are we ready to put that on the blender?
Yep. So we'll be right back after we do this. We have a new friend here, my caregiver and one of my closest friends, Anastasia. And
Hi guys.
And she is going to taste our recipe.
Yeah, let's go try it. Oh my gosh, it's awesome. It's awesome. I feel the chocolate and I feel bananas. This is a real good recipe.
Ooh, I'm glad you like it.
No, for sure. It's real cool. The cold for hot weather like we have in Florida.
Oh yeah.
Thank you guys.
No problem. All right. See you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.